The gong has sounded. Come up the hill tonight. The moon is smiling. The stars are cold and bright. 4 huts are waiting. The open space is wide. 40 children coming, each one finding their place inside.
I have been looking forward.
I have waited for this night. You Boro is not here, but the rest of you arrived.
And you, the one who's crying,
come and sit here on my lap.
tell me where it hurts, my child.
Tonight I'll bring you back.
I came up from the forest with an argument in my hand. Suko said the animals speak. I said he doesn't understand.
Animals don't talk like us. That was my case today.
But now I'm sitting in the compound and I'm waiting
for you to say, once upon a time, children.
Time, time,
Once upon a time, children.
time, time.
There is a language older than words, a council held in the deep forest dark. The animals agreed without a sound that you could hear. But something passed between them, heart to heart. Many thousands of years ago, man and animal shared the ground. No fence between the compound and the forest all around. But then man lifted his spear for a reason no beast could name, and the killing came like a slow rain that nobody could explain.
So the animals gathered, every wing and every claw.
They sat in the deep forest and they held their council law.
Not in words that man could write down,
Not in language man could hear,
but something passed between them.
something ancient and clear.
They moved away from the houses.
They moved into the grass.
Man followed with his fire.
Man followed and they had to answer back.
The lion remembered his teeth,
The elephant remembered his weight.
and what started as withdrawal
Became something men call fate. Once upon a time, children.
time, time,
Once upon a time, children.
time, time.
There is a language older than words, a council held in the deep forest dark. The animals agreed without a sound that you could hear. But something passed between them, heart to heart. A duke has forgotten her toe. The story did what the story always does. It takes the pain and puts it somewhere else, just long enough for the child to rest.
Yuvime,
You were not wrong,
animals do not talk as you talk.
but you were not completely right either.
There is a language,
That does not need a mouth,
a knowing.
that does not need a school.
The covenant was broken by man.
Not by anything the animals did.
They withdrew,
Man followed
they withdrew.
again, man followed again.
And so they answered,
Onyewetara,
Ojiwetarandu.
he who brings cola brings life.
But he who takes life
Without reason,
without ceremony,
without gratitude,
he will one day
find the forest.
looking back at him. I came up the hill with my argument.
I'm going down with a story.
I came up thinking I was right.
I am going down knowing something more.
The old woman on the high seat
With the child sleeping on her lap,
has been doing this since before my father.
was young enough to clap. Once upon a time, children.
Time, time,
Once upon a time, children.
time, time.
There is a language older than words, a council held in the deep forest dark. The animals agreed without a sound that you could hear. something passed between them, heart to heart. Come up the hill, my children, I have been waiting. Come with your sword told, come with your argument, come with your running stomach, come as you are. The stories tonight will teach you
Honesty,
generosity,
obedience,
hard work,
respect,
wisdom, and why we must not be greedy, and why we must listen to warning. Now let us begin.